Here's how to use the Bellocare. First, secure the device firmly to the IV pole so that it doesn't fall. Then connect the power cord to a wall outlet. Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to see if the screen turns on. Secondly, you need to enter a schedule, and there are 3 ways to do so. Among the 3 methods, I recommend loading and applying a protocol. To load a protocol, select the 4th folder-shaped icon from the top. The medical team checks the patient's condition and selects the applicable grade and medication and steps. The medical team checks the patient's condition and selects the applicable grade and medication and steps. For example, selecting the drug oxaliplatin from the Grade 2 list, we will select Step 13. When the pop-up menu appears, select Yes to load the selected protocol. You can move the window up and down to check the loaded protocol and easily check the total number of steps and total infusion volume. Once verification is complete, select the Save button to apply the loaded protocol to the device. Once verification is complete, select the Save button to apply the loaded protocol to the device. If you move the screen without saving, all changes will be lost and the previously saved values will be maintained. We recommend that you go to the main screen and navigate to a screen where you can see the entire injection process. Now we will install the set to be applied to the patient on the equipment. First, connect the IV set while locking the IV set clamp. Press the drip chamber 2 or 3 times to block the air intake. Open the front case door of the Bellocare equipment and prepare to connect the IV set. Prepare the IV set by raising the height to the pump mount. Secure the set's blockage sensor case by sliding it to the left. Fix the IV set by inserting them into the equipment fixing grooves one by one. Make sure that the fixing bundles on both sides of the tube of the IV set are in the correct positions on the left and right of the pump. Be careful to fix the right air alarm sensor in the correct position so that it detects air accurately. If the correct position is not correct too, the total amount will decrease and air will be detected, making it difficult to proceed, so please be careful. Secure the remaining IV tube naturally so that it is not tight. Close the door carefully so that it does not catch on the IV set. Don't forget to release the clamp again. To start a new schedule, always restart by pressing the Go and Mute buttons at the same time. When the Restart Progress pop-up window appears, select Yes. Select the Proceed button to proceed. The first step is to proceed with priming. You can proceed by selecting Yes. For IV sets that have completed priming, you can skip the process by selecting No. When you select Yes, a progress bar pops up and it takes 75 seconds to reach 100% completion. If you select Stop in Progress, it will stop and you can cancel or continue priming. "100% injection volume is 16.6 ml, which is the total amount inside from the tube in the drip chamber area to the tube in the needle area. When you select the Proceed as the last step button, injection will begin in the order of the schedule applied to the equipment. Thank you for watching until the end. Thank you.